Welcome to NeoNexus. Today we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most secretive projects in aviation, the SR-72, also known as Darkstar. This isn't just another aircraft, it's a leap forward in military technology. Imagine a plane that can reach any point on Earth in just a couple of hours. That's the promise of the SR-72. Designed to fly at hypersonic speeds over Mach 5, it changes everything about air power and global reach. The SR-72 is the spiritual successor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, but built for a new era of warfare. Its main advantage? Operating in contested airspace where slower aircraft would be vulnerable. By the time an enemy detects the SR-72, it's already gone. This makes it a powerful tool for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance, without risking pilots' lives. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, the team behind the U-2 and SR-71, is leading its development. The Darkstar is unmanned and autonomous, allowing for longer, faster, and riskier missions. In a new era of hypersonic competition, the SR-72 is America's leading contender. Its appearance in Top Gun Maverick brought it into the mainstream, but the real Darkstar is far more complex. As we dive deeper, we'll explore how this machine was born from a legacy of speed, how its mission evolved, and why it's one of the most important military projects of our time. The Darkstar isn't just a plane, it's a statement about the future of air and space power. The SR-72 Darkstar's story begins with the retirement of its legendary predecessor, the SR-71 Blackbird. The Blackbird was a Cold War marvel, flying faster and higher than any other air-breathing aircraft. When it was retired in the late 1990s, it left a major gap in America's intelligence-gathering capabilities. Satellites were useful, but predictable and less flexible than aircraft. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works quietly began developing a replacement, something far more advanced. The challenge pushing past Mach 3 into the hypersonic realm required entirely new engine technology. Engineers developed a combined cycle engine, blending a turbine for low speeds and a scramjet for hypersonic flight. The public first heard whispers of the SR-72 in 2013, when Lockheed Martin described it as an affordable hypersonic intelligence and strike platform. This hinted at a dual mission, not just spying, but striking. The project's development has been highly classified, likely involving smaller demonstrators and secret test flights. Building the Darkstar required cutting-edge materials and revolutionary propulsion science to withstand hypersonic heat and stress. The combined cycle engine is the heart of the machine, a huge engineering breakthrough. From the ashes of the Blackbird, the SR-72 Darkstar has slowly taken shape, ready to redefine aviation and military power. Its legacy is one of speed, secrecy, and relentless innovation. The SR-72 Darkstar was designed to evolve the SR-71's mission intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR. In a world of fast-moving threats, rapid information gathering is critical. Satellites are predictable, and drones are slow and vulnerable. The Darkstar solves these problems with sheer speed. Imagine a crisis anywhere on the globe. The SR-72 could be overhead in under 2 hours, flying at over Mach 5. It would pass through enemy air defenses before they could react. Equipped with advanced sensors and radar, it collects vital intelligence while remaining virtually untouchable. This is called penetrating ISR, flying deep into defended territory for a close-up look. Modern air defenses create dangerous bubbles for traditional aircraft, but the SR-72 is designed to pierce them. Its unmanned design removes human limitations, allowing for extreme maneuvers and long missions. If lost, no pilot is at risk, making it a reusable, highly responsive asset. The SR-72 can be launched on short notice, providing commanders with timely, critical intelligence. Its original purpose: to ensure American decision-makers are never blind in a crisis, anywhere in the world. The Darkstar is the ultimate high-speed eye in the sky. The SR-72. Darkstar's evolution from a reconnaissance platform to a strike asset marks a major shift in military strategy. Its speed and survivability make it ideal for more than just spying. It's a perfect strike platform. The concept: a dual-role aircraft that can find and destroy targets, collapsing the sensor-to-shooter timeline from hours to minutes. As adversaries develop mobile, time-sensitive targets, the SR-72's speed allows it to strike before targets can move. Lockheed Martin now calls it a reusable hypersonic strike platform, signaling a new class of offensive weapon. Armed with hypersonic missiles, it can hit high-value, heavily defended targets from a safe distance, without slowing down. This evolution makes the SR-72 a tool of strategic deterrence, complicating adversaries' calculations. No target is safe behind air defenses anymore. The SR-72's shift reflects the modern need for speed, precision, and global reach in minutes, not hours. It's a true game-changer in military power projection. The SR-72's revolutionary propulsion system is the key to its performance. It uses a combined-cycle engine, a turbine for takeoff and subsonic flight, then a scramjet for hypersonic speeds. This allows runway takeoff and reusability, unlike rocket-launched vehicles. At high speed, air bypasses the turbine and feeds the scramjet, which uses the aircraft's velocity to compress air for combustion. The seamless transition between engines is the greatest engineering challenge, and the breakthrough that makes hypersonic flight possible. The airframe is built from advanced composites to survive extreme heat, over 2,000 degrees Celsius. Its sharp-edged design manages airflow and shockwaves for stability at high speeds. As an unmanned platform, it relies on advanced AI and autonomous controls to make split-second decisions. Its sensor suite fuses multispectral imaging, radar, and signals intelligence for a real-time battlespace picture. The SR-72 isn't just fast, it's incredibly smart. The SR-72 Darkstar is at the center of a new global hypersonic arms race. Russia and China are racing to develop their own hypersonic weapons, seeing them as a way to counter US military advantages. For the US and its allies, the SR-72 is a critical tool for maintaining strategic stability and deterrence. Its ability to penetrate any air defense system forces adversaries to rethink their investments and strategies. Allied nations see the SR-72 as reassurance of American commitment and rapid response capability. For rivals, it's a significant threat, potentially rendering their anti-access systems obsolete. The SR-72's existence accelerates global hypersonic research, fueling a cycle of competition. Every hint or rumor about the program is scrutinized by foreign intelligence. The Darkstar is more than hardware. It's a symbol of technological leadership and a key factor in global power dynamics. Like all skunkworks projects, the SR-72 Darkstar is shrouded in mystery and rumors. Enthusiasts report strange sonic booms and contrails near secretive bases, fueling speculation that a prototype is already flying. The fictional Darkstar in Top Gun Maverick was so realistic it reportedly drew attention from foreign intelligence satellites. The movie's design, developed with skunkworks engineers, may be a clever preview of the real thing. The SR-72 is rumored to be a black project, hidden in classified budgets, explaining the lack of public info. Cryptic statements from Lockheed Martin hint at breaking the Blackbird's speed record, adding to the intrigue. Officials' no-comment responses only deepen the enigma, keeping adversaries guessing. The legends and rumors create an aura of invincibility, making Darkstar a legend before it's even unveiled. The SR-72 Darkstar is more than a single aircraft. It's the vanguard of a new era in aerospace and military affairs. Its technologies, combined cycle engines, heat-resistant materials, autonomous controls, will shape future military and civilian aircraft. The SR-72 will likely serve as a silver bullet asset, a small fleet for the most critical, dangerous missions. Its rapid ISR and precision strike capabilities make it invaluable for national security and crisis response. The technology could revolutionize global mobility, enabling hypersonic transport for troops, supplies, or even passengers. The SR-72 is the necessary first step, proving reliable, reusable hypersonic flight is possible. It's the 21st century equivalent of the Bell X-1, opening the door to a new age of flight. The Darkstar matters because it's at the cutting edge of a technological revolution, and America's entry in the race for hypersonic supremacy. As both a spy plane and a strike platform, it redefines speed, reach, and survivability. The SR-72 is not just the Blackbird's successor, it's the herald of a new hypersonic era, ensuring US technological and strategic dominance.